Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Marvel Rivals Season 2 just keeps crashing or just goes stuck on a black screen. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From Steam, go over to Library and then look for Marvel Rivals and then right click on it, and then from here hit Properties. From Properties, make your way over to Installed Files and go ahead and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files, and if there are, it will fix that issue. Now the second method you guys can try doing is going over to the search bar and go ahead and type in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, you can make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then you can go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now once that is done, that can also help fix the issue. You can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can do is by going in the GeForce Experience app and updating your drivers from there. And if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just update it directly from Google by just typing in latest drivers for AMD or NVIDIA, but I recommend doing it from the app. But anyways, go over to drivers and go ahead and hit check for updates. If you have any updates, you can go ahead and install them from here. And if you don't, then it will be like a check and it will say you're the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And then you can always restart your PC as well. And once you're done with all of these methods, you guys are good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.